Good morning, people of retrading.eu. Today I will show you my view about DAX, SP 500, gold after US elections. So we need to understand what will be the new volatility, the new trend, and how to get profit from that, from spread trading or for scalping and more other updates. I remember you that you can have more information if you follow my YouTube or my page Facebook, and all links about indicators, brokers, usage, and social pages are in the description of this video. Have a good vision. My view of today, it will be also in my site and in a section blog, so you can read other details, especially about spreads on gold, silver, DAX, and SP 500. Okay, but now go to the charts. I will start with DAX. This index, stock index, have a good momentum for longers, but we need to stay over 12 and 600 point to have more information and about the strength of the uptrend. And the next top level are above 13,000 point that we can see here in these sections. For now we have seen a week with a strong trend and a rebound and a little bit rebound on 12 and 30 and 300 point, and our indicators have two important things to say to us. In this moment we have an up momentum and a lower momentum in the final day, but we have also a buy that start on the end of October, as you can see, a pause at the 4th of October, and again another long, and from yesterday a short, but this short is very weakness. So we need to understand how DAX want to continue the trend. My idea is to stay long on demand levels. So if I will see prices rebound again on this green level, I will go again in buy, or if price will go over the top, I will stay again in long. The indicator that you can see here give us other type of information. When we have a top, we need to stay with a great attention, because prices maybe are near the top, and in effect this top value is near the hold supply lines, and in effect the prices have done a pause, but now no significant levels are here, so I think that the long level is very clear for now. For US 500 levels, we need to stay with another type of information to understand how market want to go. First of all, we need to see the level over the top of October to stay again in a strong uptrend about 3,500 point, and for the minor supports or minor demand level, we need to understand the hold level about 3,300 point that is the real point where the new uptrend is started this week. For my indicator, I will show you how it work on SP. SP have a good long level at the end of October also here as in DAX. No other false sell signals because prices are immediately up the new trend line, and also only yesterday we have a sell and again a long level, but if we see our also here our demand and supply indicator, we see a top near the 4 October where we can take profit of all long position. In fact, we have a little bit rebound, and now we have no important informations about this type of movement. For now, so we stay also here in a long situation. For gold, we need to stay with another type of indicators because gold is very important in these phases of economic and financial situation in the world, and US economics maybe will have some problems with the new election transition for new presidents with Trump that don't want to leave the U.S. presidential in the White House. So we need to stay long here. For me, it's the only way to have a good chance to make profit. Um, about Ichimoku, we needed to stay long from 4 November, but with the new indicator, we can stay also here long about the same date. Um, it's very important this, and for the next week in H1 levels, we need to understand what will be the demand support. The demand support, as you can see, are all the top about 1090 um, 900 and 30, the top levels about 100 1973 dollar. This is the level for next up trend for this month. I trade gold also with spread trading on silver, as you can see in my last blog, and for now we have a spread that is going down. This type of curve mean that we need to sell gold and buy silver. In effect, if you see the movement, a sell of gold have done a loss of 3.95 point, but a long on silver have a profit more double of the loss of gold. So in the net profit is about 4% in this type of information. we will continue to sell gold and buy silver next week until this curve will go in the lower band. Okay, and the spread about DAX and SP 500 that I use also in this type of information have reached now a top of market, maybe with a DAX that is more strong of SP. DAX have done 70 and half point, but SP 100 only 7 point. So a buy of DAX and a sell of SP have done us a profit, but I have traded in opposite, so I have a loss this week. I have wrote it in my blog. For next week, but I will try again to sell DAX and buy SP because I think that this curve needed to stay lower of actual position. This is my idea. I don't know if I will be success, but I know that I can control the risk. That is the best important things to do in a markets. I will conclude my video with VIX, the VIX XB index that is lower, is very lower, as the market have no fear in this moment about the situation. It's very strange for me because I have think in a top of VIX, but it has done the opposite of my position. It's okay because we needed to follow the market and non the market will follow us. So I have to understand how to catch it, but we are also near the low level of August. For now, I think I will buy weeks or call options on VIX. I will update you my social blog because a new top on VIX maybe it's very near. So I want to capture this type of trend. Um, okay, this is all. I I remember you to follow my YouTube channel and my Facebook video channel. And if you need more information, you can write me an email. I give you my mail here at info.wereading.you, where you can write me all information you need. I will give you links and indicators or what you want. Thank you and have a good day.